Listen, sixth sum. Subtract 13x plus 12y minus 5 from 27x plus 5y minus 43. அதாவது இந்த termல இருந்து this term want to separate. So want to separate, going to see solution. So take subtracting, then 27x plus 5y minus 43 minus 13x plus 12y minus 5. This term separating from this. அப்போ இதுல இருந்து இதை செப்பரேட் பண்ண சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. அப்போ 27x plus 5y minus 43 bracket minus this term. Then you see that 27x plus 5y minus 43 is no change. In this term minus is common. So take multiply inside. Minus goes inside. Minus is common for this all term. The minus take multiply. Minus into plus minus. Minus 13x. Minus into plus minus. Minus 12y. Next minus into minus plus. So plus 5. Now take solve. 27x. Next another like term is the minus 13x. Next here 5y. Next another one term is the minus 12y. Minus 43. Minus next constant term is the plus 5. Now take simplify. 27x minus 13x. So both are like terms. 27x minus 13x. What is the value? Take subtracting. 27 minus 13. 7 minus 3 4. 2 minus 1 1. 14. Therefore get a 14x. Next here 5y minus 12y. Both are like terms only. Then take subtracting. Here 12 5. So plus 5y minus 12y. Subtracting. 12 minus 5 you get a 7. What is the greater number? Minus. So 12 is the greater number. What is the sign of 12? Minus. Therefore minus 7 want to come. Then minus 7y. Minus 43 plus 5. Minus 43 plus 5 we get a minus. What is that? 38. 43 minus 43 plus 5. What is that? Subtracting. Opposite signs. Then subtract பண்ணனும். அப்போ 43 minus 5 what is that? Minus 38. அதாவது greater number is a 43. Symbol of 43, the sign of 43 is a minus. Therefore minus 38. This is the required solution. So next is the second subdivision. What is that given? 3p plus 5 from minus 2q plus 7. Want to subtract. Then what is that? Minus 2q plus 7 minus 3p plus 5. Take subtracting. So what is it given? I think our question is wrong. So one p is missing here. p minus 2q plus 7. Then here also one p missing. Then p minus 2q plus 7 minus 3p plus 5. Then we can write p minus 2q plus 7 minus common take inside. Minus 3p minus 5 because minus into plus minus. Minus into plus 5 again you get minus 5. Now take it like terms. P term here one p. Next here minus 3p. Next q term minus 2q. That's all. Here next constant term plus 7 minus 5. So p minus 3p minus 2p minus 2q. 7 minus 5 is the 2. Therefore required answer what is that? Minus 2p minus 2q plus 2. So solution over. Next third one. What is that? M plus n from 3m minus 7n. Then take it 3m minus 7n subtract minus m plus n. Then 3m minus 7n minus count take inside minus m minus n. So 3m minus m like terms 3m minus m minus 7n minus n. 3m minus m we get a 2m minus 7n minus n we get a minus 8n because both are negative terms. Again we get answer negative only. So both are negative there. Want to add but sign we get a negative number sign. So minus 8n. This is the solution over. Next fourth one. What is that? 2y plus z from 6z minus 5y. I want to subtracting. Then take it 6z minus 5y minus 2y plus z. Take right 6z minus 5y minus common take inside minus 2y minus into plus minus next minus into plus plus so minus into plus minus z. So now take it like terms 6z minus z. Next minus 5y minus 2y. So what is that? 6z minus z. What we get answer? 6z minus z. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 we get a 5. So 5 is z. Minus 5y minus 2y. Minus 5 minus 2 get a minus 7y. So this is the required answer and solution over. So then finally we can write here 5 is z minus 7y. Next listen 7th question. Simplify first subdivision x plus y minus z on bracket plus bracket 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x plus 7y minus 6z. So take simplify. What's the given 7th question? First subdivision x plus y minus z plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z minus 14x plus 7y minus 6z. Now first take the like terms. First this eliminate this brackets, then x plus y minus z plus 3x minus 5 is y plus 7 is z minus common take inside minus taking minus 14x minus 7y minus plus 6 is z. So now take it like terms. What's that? Here on x 3x here minus 14x, then x plus 3x minus 14x. Next y here on y. Therefore y minus 5y minus 7y. Next is z term minus z plus 7 is z plus 6 is z. See that this 3r is the like terms. Then x plus 3x. What is that? X plus 3x is the 4x minus 14x. Next see that y terms. This 3 is a like term. Y minus 5y minus 7y. Then y. First adding like symbols or same symbols. So minus 5 minus 7. What is that? Minus 5 minus 7 minus 12. Minus 12 minus 12y. Next see that. These three are the same like terms. So minus z plus 6 7 is z plus 6 is z. So minus z 7 plus 6 we get a plus 13 z. Next see that 4x minus 14x like terms are. So 4 minus 14. What is that greater number? 14. Sign of 14 minus, then minus 10x. Next y minus 12y. 1 times of y minus 12 times of y. What is the greater number? 12. 12 sign is the minus, therefore minus 11y. Next minus is z plus 13 is z. So here greater number is the 13. 13 minus 1 is z. So 13 is z minus 1 is z, we get a 12 is z. This is the required solution. Next second subdivision p plus 2 plus p plus 3 minus p minus 4 minus p minus 5 plus p plus 4. This is given. Want to simplify. Again one time check the question. P plus p, 2 plus p, 3 minus p, minus 4 minus p, minus 5 plus p, plus 10. Minus 5 plus p plus 10 want to come. So mistake is the 4. So take right. Simplify. Given. First adding. Add பண்ணலாமா? Here what are the variables given? P and constant is given. Only one variable given. இப்போ எத்தனை p terms இருக்கீங்க? பாசிட்டிவ்ல 1 2 3 3 அடுத்து அதாவது பாசிட்டிவ் 1 2 3 this negative this positive. So 3 plus 1 4. The 4p. Next negative how many is there? Minus p 2 times minus 2p. Next constant what is that? 2 plus 3 Next 3 க்கு அடுத்து minus 5. Next plus 10. Okay va? Take it. 4p minus 2p get 2p. 2 plus 3 5. Minus 5 plus 10. Plus 5 minus 5 cancel. We get 2p plus 10. So this is the required solution. So listen, here also one minus 4 is missing. Then want to put here minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 plus 10. Minus 4 5 I putting, but minus 4 missing. Then minus 4. So 10 minus 4 6. Therefore required answer is the 620. Therefore 2p plus 6. This is the required answer. Okay. So one small mistake. Next going to see third subdivision. So given one take, right? What is that given? N plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 plus n plus 4 plus n plus 5. So I want to add. Then first here what are the variables given in the question? N and m. Two variables given and a constant is given. Then first take variables separately. Then n plus m plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus m plus 3 n plus 4 plus m plus 5. First take, right, n terms separately. How many n terms here? 1 2 3. 3 n there. Then 3n. Next m terms. What is that? 1 2 3. 3m. Next constants. What is that? 2 3 4 5. Here 1. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then 3n plus 3m. Adding 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 5 15. So this is a required solution. Therefore this just take a small arrange. So 3m plus 3n plus 15. This is a required solution. Hence answer over.